Take a moment to check out the 2016 Volkswagen Golf. With less than 80,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Make your daily commute fun and efficient in this highly rational Golf. Clean design, advanced safety and connectivity tech, and brisk acceleration team up to give you an unbeatable value. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, sun, moonroof, satellite radio, power passenger seat, fog lamps, aluminum wheels, power driver seat, electronic stability control, heated front seat, leather steering wheel. Feel ahead of the curve in this economical Golf. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.